Hello Akbar. Actually, for doing any page or as like for doing any sales page into your home page, I am showing you how you can do this. Please check it. First, go to settings, then go reading. Click on this reading link. After click on the reading link, a page will be open in front of you. Don't know why it is taking time. Okay, let's see. Now, for doing any page into home page, click on a static home page. This option, click this, and this option will be open. Normally, it is looks like this, but when you click on this radio button, after click on this home page, click the drop down menu. You will find all the pages lists here. Suppose you want to create your sales page into your home page. Just go to sales page, this page, click this, and don't do anything in this particular page. Then click on save change. Now, when I open easyread.com, it is showing the sales page as your home page. Look like this. Okay, so whenever you want to change any page, you just click on this, and you can change it in very easy way. This is the way. I hope you understand. Let me know if anything is still not clear. Thank you.